What I have searched about you, you have done your graduation into IT,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
You have started your career into networking.
Networking and system administration.
Yes. So how much it's difficult to move from the networking to the business analyst?
Yeah, it's a good question. So when from networking or system or infrastructure, when you move on to the functional systems or implementing the processes and automating it and bringing the digital automation journeys, now you became into a little bit of a leadership role who implement the processes
Okay.
for network management, for database management,
Okay.
system management. So all those containers which we were specialized for, now we look it a little bit up.
Okay.
So here comes the part of ITSM, IT service.
That means you are interested to upgrade yourself into the upper management.
Yes. So you have to gradually, as you age, you should look upon more things. So I became this implementer. While you're implementing, you are meeting the business, you are asking their requirements.
Can you please differentiate these three terms like IDIL, APQC, and ETOM?
Okay, good. So ITIL is IT Infrastructure Library. It actually started for IT only.
Is it a tool or
It's a library,
Okay.
a framework, a business framework combined for the processes.
Okay.
How, if you want to define services, what will be the services and what will be the strategy for it?
Okay.
From strategy, then you will move on to a development and design, real detailed design, low-level designs, high-level design. What processes are needed for that? How to combine them with the hardware assets,
Okay.
with the software assets, which we call them CMDB, configuration management database, where you define a mouse and a Windows version.
So let's say if I will compare the market between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Have you think about like you can work in Pakistan also as a business process management?
Yes. It's a global skill.
Okay.
It's actually a really global skill where you are once connecting your question to ITL, and then you have ETOM,
Yeah.
Enhanced Telecom Operating Procedures. Anyone wants to establish a new telecom organization, it has end-to-end processes and functions to set up all these detailed processes in that.
Okay.
Documents available, you will change those processes according to your. So this means whether you're in Pakistan, in Saudi Arabia, or anywhere in the world, you want to establish an organization or enterprise, you will need these processes to hook up and connect. Then comes APQC, American Process for Quality Control.
So what is the best way to crack the job in this field?
Okay, so for this one, for any field, by the way, and particularly the competitive market of Saudi Arabia, mashallah, with lots of trainings and education, they spent 20, 30 years ago on their students. You have to certify to prove that you know a skill.
Okay.
So common certifications everybody talks about is, for example, PMP is full of processes and it has phases, but it's very limited. For our skill, it is called PBA.
Okay.
From PMI, it's called a Professional Business Analyst. You're certified. There is a local entity by Bassam Al-Kharashi from ES Learning. They have a certification called BP Trends has a business process specialist.
Okay. Can I do this certification if I'm in Pakistan?
Anywhere. Yes. It is
Because it's a local entity, so that's why I.
Yes, not necessarily here. Bassam Al-Khashi and another European got together and brought a concept like PMO. They brought a concept of BMO.
Sorry to interrupt you. Actually, I want to understand. Like, say, there is some roles into the management.
Yeah.
Let's say the strategy management guy.
Exactly.
Then we have a project management guy. Then we have a portfolio management guy.
Yeah.
I just want to understand each field and what type of opportunity means how much opportunity here in Saudi Arabia according to the market. You know very well.
For business process management is a and organizational excellence is a very hot market anywhere, because people are failing here. People are failing in processes, and from processes to audits, and after audits, what they need to do. Awareness and bringing the culture of excellence. This is where they are failing. And they are getting these, some of the certifications like EFQM, European Foundation for Quality Management. This is a certification. People try to do it and they get these findings, but they do not have a team to ensure that this will not happen. What happens commonly, like always, a consultant will come, a consultant organization, they will come 1 year, 2 year experience. They will write down things. There will be documents,
Okay.
but it's not embedded in the culture, and people do not know how to open this manual and apply it really.
What's the process of the Tahakum? Maybe it's a services way, maybe it's a product.
Yeah, we are hardware installation,
Okay.
and then running,
Okay.
and then processing the data,
Okay.
organization. As simple as that.
So
Not
that
going
means
to
a
the
part
detail.
of the IIT mostly.
We are technology company,
Okay.
and we are AI company. We run AI image recognition
Okay.
to generate maybe violation, maybe traffic violations, maybe monitoring for security services, maybe somebody is holding a weapon or something that should not be there.
Okay.
Our team, mashallah, they are working on this to develop. Now, is this part of our strategy? We have hundreds of software developers and AI developers.
Okay.
Like we said, hiring more people. Are they functioning rightly? Yes. When you connect them to strategic KPIs and operational KPIs and client KPIs, all your work, and then you have employee KPIs also.
I'm in Pakistan.
Right.
Okay. I have, spent a lot of money to complete my graduation. Maybe I have borrowed some money from
Right.
someone, and now I'm too much frustrated. And I was thinking to, move to another country to start my career over there. And I think KSA
Is a hot market.
yeah, exactly. But how I can crack? Like, what I need to do means I need to go LinkedIn. How I need to approach people? Should I need to create some connections? What I need to do?
So LinkedIn is very important thing, by the way. And in LinkedIn, certifications are very important. But you cannot just graduate and try to, go abroad. The market will be tougher. I say a year or two experience into the organizations. Not necessarily you can do it from lucky people now. You do it from home, project management tasks, project coordination tasks on software development or anything.